Hi, I'm Terri Pascarelli with Realty One Group MVP. Welcome to my Naples, Florida Real Estate Market Report for July 2025. Let's take a look at the most current information and see how the Naples area market is performing. Welcome back to the channel. I'm back with the July 2025 market report for the greater Naples, Florida area real estate market. The information we'll look at today was published by the Naples Area Board of Realtors, reporting on all of Collier County, excluding Marco Island. Let's get to it. The desire to own a piece of paradise is strong in Naples, and this month's report gives us insight into how our housing market continues to show overall stability while not maintaining the high-level pace seen a few years ago, while sellers are adjusting strategies and buyers are considering their options. One of the big headlines this month is the uptick in pending sales. In July, pending sales jumped almost 20% compared to July last year, reaching 807 homes under contract. That tells us buyers are stepping forward when they find value, while sellers are negotiating and making price adjustments to stay competitive. In fact, nearly 1,300 price decreases were recorded in July, but values overall remain steady, showing that demand continues to support this market. It's important to note that sellers are receiving about 94% of their asking price on average. So yes, negotiations are flexible, but buyers are not seeing fire sale conditions either. Instead, what we have is a more balanced market where fair pricing can get results. Analysts reviewing this month's data emphasized how Naples has avoided a major market correction. If you were truly in correction mode, we'd see prices closer to where they were before the pandemic. Instead, today's prices have held their ground for 4 years since that surge in demand. And here's something to keep in mind. Even though single-family and condo prices saw modest decreases compared to last July, both are still significantly higher than pre-pandemic values in 2019. That means homeowners have strong equity and buyers are investing in a market that has consistently held its value over time. Another stabilizing factor in Naples is the high number of cash buyers. We've talked about this before. We had 48% of all cash transactions in July that didn't involve financing at all. That means mortgage rate changes have less impact here than in other markets. For those buyers who are financing, there are reasons to consider a home purchase now. Many of these buyers can refinance if rates go lower in the future. With the talk of interest rates softening, we're starting to see that adds a little momentum to buyer activity. Now let's talk about inventory. Overall inventory in July was up 11% from last year at this time, but here's the key trend. Inventory has been declining steadily since March of 2025 when it peaked at more than 7,400 properties. By July, we were down to just over 5,200 active listings. Closed sales held steady, up 2% overall compared to July last year, with single-family homes leading the way. In fact, single-family closed sales increased nearly 13%, and pending sales in this category are up more than 30% year over year. One standout area in July was the Naples Beach area, zip codes 34102, 34103, and 34108. Single-family home sales near the beach jumped an impressive 81% compared to last year. That kind of demand is starting to eat into supply, bringing the months of inventory in that area down from almost 15 months a year ago to just over 12 months today. This is an excellent reminder that Naples isn't a single market, but many submarkets. From coastal properties to inland neighborhoods, activity and pricing trends vary, but together they reflect Naples' diversity and overall appeal. Let's take a closer look at pricing. The median condo price in July was $422,500, down about 10% from last year, but still nearly double what it was in 2019. Single-family homes came in at a median of $670,000, down 6% from last July, yet far above the pre-pandemic median price of just over $400,000. So while year-over-year numbers might look like a dip, the big picture is one of equity and long-term growth. So what does all of this mean if you're buying or selling in Naples right now? For buyers, opportunities are here, especially with sellers who are pricing more competitively and with pending sales gaining momentum. For sellers, aligning with current market conditions and working with a realtor who understands Naples submarkets is the key to attracting qualified buyers. If you're considering a move, I'd be happy to help you navigate the Naples real estate market. I'm Terri Pascarelli with Realty One Group MVP. You can reach me at 239-300-6047, and I'll see you next month with another update on how the market's performing in this beautiful part of Southwest Florida. Now, look at more helpful information about enjoying the greater Naples, Florida lifestyle right here in the video in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. I'll see you there.